In an ever-evolving and dynamic industry, we take immense pride in our unwavering commitment to understanding our clients' evolving needs. This commitment drives us to offer tailored and comprehensive services, ensuring that our clients consistently experience peak performance in their transfer chutes. And the benefits? They're significant. Safety, environmental impact, and financial efficiency. These are the substantial advantages we bring to the table. Our skilled teams conduct on-site inspections to evaluate the performance of transfer chutes, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and safety. We provide comprehensive maintenance trend reports that offer invaluable insights into the condition of your chutes and suggest potential improvements, tailored to your specific needs. Our maintenance contracts are designed to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your equipment. Whether it's on-site crews or scheduled services, we've got you covered. We offer a comprehensive range of spare parts, ensuring you have ready access to the components necessary for the seamless operation of your transfer chutes. Our experienced team provides a full spectrum of services, from turnkey installations to expert supervision and consultation, all tailored to your unique requirements. Safety and compliance are our top priorities. We strictly adhere to the latest regulations and site-specific requirements, ensuring that every solution we offer is aligned with the highest industry standards. But our commitment doesn't end there. Our field advisors routinely inspect all operational chutes, providing insights into wear status and opportunities for performance enhancements. These inspections help you proactively monitor and prepare for maintenance and minimizing disruptions to production. When you choose us, you're choosing excellence, innovation, and a commitment to your success. Join us as we work together to elevate your transfer chute performance and unlock a world of benefits.